just done, probably.
Hi, how are you?
Like a vlogger with my camera. Back it up, we go jack up.
Tripod. Oh, so I got my cooking videos and stuff in the kitchen and stuff like that. And it also works well for cameras as well. So I'm gonna try to set it up. So tomorrow, if me a cook, I want to have a tripod kind of videos. Yeah. Can you see it? Can you see it? I got it at Best Buy. I'm gonna try to set it up now. Why am I gonna catch it somewhere? There we go. Hi. I'm gonna try to set up my tripod. Whoa. Whoa, that's was not supposed to happen like that. I know, I mean, my tripod, I think. Love it. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's here. Come on. Come on! Then I'm no need to mash it up, so now. So, back it up, we go back up. Oh, so cute! See me in my camera. Like a vlogger. Like a vlogger. With my camera. Like a vlogger. So we. Ooh. And I think it can go up further. I guess not. I don't know. I think it can go up further. But for right now. Alright then. Okay. But then if I go down. Let me see. It's very stiff. Like me really don't want to squeeze my finger. I don't want to squeeze my finger. Firm. Let me see if I'm tightening like that. Tight. Nope. 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 I'm not tightening. I don't want to squeeze my finger. Someone wonder how this can go up. This is like a screw. So how do we extend it? It said it can extend up to this amount. So how do we do that now, babes? How do we do that now? How do I? Alright, I think me just done, probably. Cause how you extend it? How you got up more? How? Why am I forget back? Me no know. How you extend it? Am I slow? Me no know how you extend it. May I be honest with you. Me no know how you extend it. What? I don't know, probably have to add a next piece. Alright. So this is for the phone. Pick up the vibes that you playing. Baby girl? Oh. Is that for the phone? This is for the phone. The question is, can it fit my phone?
my phone my phone broad.
Let's see if you can fit you. Hi. Let's see if you can fit. Let's see if you can fit. Hi. You guys can. Hi. Hello. How are you? Are you okay? I'm gonna try to stabilize it still. Hi. How are you? It is a bit unstable. Hi. Hello. I'm tired. I'm very tired. Well, on there. So it coming on. It's a point and shoot. Baby, wanna give me some sweet love. No, really point and shoot still. Maybe go read them. If somebody want, come on, go read them, man. Over extend it properly. I have a GoPro right now. I wanna give you some good love. Oh, this other one I can't touch for the camera. Where if I come from the fruits? Yeah. Pulling out center column. Baby, me don't know how to pull out the center. Let me tell me. I have realized over the years that I am lactose intolerant. Lactose intolerant. Yeah. Just a tad bit. Just a tad bit. Just a tad bit. Oh. The ball thing is supposed to stay on. And then they're supposed to go up on top. Bye, my mommy's calling.
We'll come back real quick.
I know what to do it.
Minnesota. Whoa. So, Jesus, bill of fence. So, how we tighten it now? No? How we tighten it? How we tighten it? No? No? How do I? Jesus. How do I tighten it? No. It's a lift it right until it's. But that's still not stable. Will it wobble? Wobble doodle wobble doodle wobble doodle. Get in there. Alright. It's gonna say it can come up more. But my head. Let me try hands and outs. But there we go. We've been stabilized. Get in there. So, tripod up and work. But my tripod up and working. I'm gonna have good lighting. I'll cook tomorrow, but not today. Good night. Hey guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so very much if you're watching to this point. Bye. 86.